Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Boss Baby Beauty 16 coming at you with another video. So today what I'm going to be doing, you guys, are soap brows. So if you never heard of this, just bear with me, okay? So I will explain it. So the first thing that you definitely want to get is a transparent soap. Because if you use like a white bar soap, then you're probably going to get white residue on your eyebrows. And this soap by Pears is transparent, and it even says it right on the box that it's transparent soap, okay? Also, what you guys are going to need is a spoolie like this for the eyebrows. I recommend having two different type of spoolies. Like, I highly recommend having two different type of spoolies, okay? And then next, so you could use either a facial spray or just a water bottle. So technically, I honestly would recommend a water bottle because then you're kind of wasting a little bit of this product, but you're honestly not wasting too much. I'm just using this for now because I didn't have a little bottle where I could put water in. Or you could even use a cup of water, but you know, I don't want to spoil anything. Okay guys, so what soap brows basically do is they make your brows look really, really full and very, very thick. Okay guys, so basically what soap brows does, it makes your eyebrows really, really thick and also really, really full. So this is kind of like a neat trick if you're out of brow gel or something that you normally use to thicken up your eyebrows. It works really, really well. And then I have tried two different methods, which we are going to try and see which one maybe you guys like better or which one that I thought that looked nicer. So let's get to it. First thing you're going to do is, of course, get your soap. And I have used it already. And you are going to see a tremendous difference in just a moment, you guys. You're going to spray like so. And you are going to get your spare, or what I call spare spoolie. And what you're going to do is you're going to just rub it right on it like so. Okay, so now once the product is on the spoolie, let's go ahead and start brushing up our eyebrows. So we're going to start brushing up our eyebrows here. And this stuff, like the soap brows, really holds your eyebrows up. You're going to see in a moment. And you just want to go over a few times. And as you can see, I'm already starting to look like an elf. Alright, so you can spritz more on your soap. Grab more of that where it's like, kind of like, you know, lathered up. When you have this on your brush. And we are just going to keep brushing up a few times. You can see it's getting thicker. Alright, now for the other brow. So of course, give it a spritz, your bar of soap. Rub it in there. And let's do the other brow. And you can spritz as many times as you like, so you can get that thicker, fuller brow, or to whichever your desired shape or thickness may be. Okay guys, so this is technically one look of the soap brows. I honestly like this look right here, you guys. I see it really popular on Instagram where you have like, you know, the bushy eyebrow look. Honestly, that's not for me. So what I do is this. I still leave them bushy. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my eyebrow brush that has this part right here and then the spoolie. And I'm going to start filling my eyebrows in. So what we're going to do is shape it. So I have my Anastasia Pomade Dip Brow, and this is in the color Taupe. And what I am going to do is I am going to shape my brow, or I'm going to line my brow with the product. So I'm going to start right here about where my pupil is at and follow my natural brow line like so. And then we are going to line the top part as well. And then we're going to start doing small hair strokes the same way our brow hairs grow. So now that our brow is full, we're going to flip the brush over, use our spoolie, and we're going to swipe it over on top. And what that does, it pushes the hairs down and it makes them more even. And you could do the same for the bottom if you like, but they're pretty much set. And then you're going to take your spoolie and start brushing that product in between the hairs. Alright, so that's what we have so far, okay? Let's fill in the other brow. So you're going to grab more product and you're just going to line your brow from where the pupil is at. And then just follow that natural line. Go over on top. Once you've done that, start filling it in the same way your hairs grow on your brow. Okay, now take your spoolie, start brushing it in, the product. And just flatten those hairs down and go around your brow. Okay, so we're not done yet. Next up, what I normally do is I take my concealer and a flat brush, and then we clean up our brows. What I normally do is I start from the bottom. You can start from the bottom or top, however you like, on each side. I blend that concealer down towards the eyelids. I take more of my concealer, reload my brush up again, both sides, and then I do the top part. So I just swoop over on the top, like so, and then I follow that shape. And then do the same thing to the other side. Swoop over on the top like so, and follow that shape. And then what I do is I do a line coming down, up, and then same thing to the other side, a line coming down and up. And then I just blend this product out. I find that blending it out with my fingers works a lot better. So that's what we're going to do. And that is another way, you guys, of how to get the soapy brow look. Other way was the way I showed you before, where you can leave your brows all, bushed up. By all means, if you like that look, fantastic. I prefer a more cleaner look, you guys, and I think that the soap does an amazing job keeping everything in place, you guys, especially if you're out of brow gel too. And I feel like that it gives a more of a natural look where you can see those hair strokes a lot better. Now, if you want to make your brows just a little bit more fluffy than what they already are, then what you can do is go back to your spoolie, spritz your soap, and then, of course, redo that same process, rub it in again. And go back to making it fluffy. Do very light strokes. Just follow your natural line if the hairs go up too much. And that's how it comes out, you guys. Look at all those nice hair strokes, you guys. I think that this soap brow is really, really, really neat. and I do recommend it. It can be a tad bit time consuming, all because you're having to go back with the soap just a few times. But if you have the spare time on your hands, you guys, I really honestly think it's worth it. Also, you guys, you can set it with the brow gel. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. So I'm going to show you how the brow gel looks on the other brow. So this side I just set it with a soap, no brow gel needed, and that is the complete look. So let's see how this looks with it when we add the brow gel. Okay, so here it is, you guys. So that is how it looks with the brow gel, you guys. The brow gel, what I feel like it does is that it makes your brows look kind of shiny, but I think that the brow gel is good if we didn't have any soap on there. So this is done with the brow gel, you guys, and this side is strictly done with the soap. So that is my mini tutorial for today, you guys. It was just, mainly about soap brows, how to do soap brows, and what you guys think of the soap brows. So remember, this side is strictly just done with the soap. This side has the soap and the brow gel on there. And that is it. That is today's look. So let me know what you guys are thoughts of this soap brow. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. So be sure to click that subscribe and like button. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!